Hello. Today's video we will discuss some advanced features of Google Analytics, where we will see how to generate a particular weekly or monthly user report using Google Analytics. And I have already written down some steps in Notepad, and we will follow this step to generate user report and for Google Analytics. So when you log in Google Analytics, there is an option on the left hand side called Explore, and so we will first click on that option, Explore, and after click Explore section, open one tab, is the Exploration, and here the four options. One is blank, free from, funnel and path. So first we click blank. And first exploration name, we write monthly user report. And here first you see the notepad, the dimension. The dimension section we choose two options. One is date and second one is device category. So go to after here is a segment, below segment one option is dimensions. So click dimension, then here search date, click date, and second one is device category. Device category here and import. In dimension section, date and device category is import. Now metrics. Here three options. First new user, returning user and total user. So click metrics, write new user, returning user and total user. Just set and import. Now row. Here after segment comparison, write here row. Click the row and select date. And next is show rows. How many data we show in the row? So here click the 50. Next columns. Here columns we show the device category. So scroll down. Click and device category. Next is values. We show new user, returning user and total user. So values, click the value. First we select new user, then returning user, and third one is total user. Next cell type is plain text. Cell type is bar chart. We write or we select the plain text. Now we see the result here. And left hand side is the date section. We choose monthly report. So start date is 1st March and end date is 30 March and apply. Now see the date is changed here, 28, 26, 20. So click the date and automatically it is arranged in a serial wise. So it is 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Click the date again. Now the latest data is showing the first. And first is new user 43, returning user 2 and total user 44. same as mobile section and total user. So total user is 47. And click the download or export data section, click and PDF. Click the data and open. See the total data here. This way you can make a particular user report using Google Analytics. Thank you.